Afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we are on constructions, second exercise. Everyone, please take out your geometry box. We are doing the chapter constructions. Chapter number 17. We are on exercise 17B. Okay. Exercise 17B, we have to do question number 5. Yesterday we were about to do this question, but there was no time. So we left it for today. So we are going to do it now. Construct a parallelogram, one of whose sides is 4.4 centimeters. We have to construct a parallelogram. So please mention the name of the figure. It is a parallelogram. And one of the sides of the parallelogram is, so let's draw a rough figure. And see, we are going to draw a parallelogram where we will name it as ABCD. Okay. So one of the sides, that means AB, is 4.4 centimeters. 4.4 AB. Then the length of the diagonals, both the diagonals are given 5.6 and 7 centimeters. So if the diagonal BD is 5.6 centimeters, then the length of the diagonal AC is 7 centimeters. So these are the two diagonals. You can see I have written BD and AC. BD and AC are diagonals. Look at the figure. BD is diagonal, AC is diagonal. So length of both the diagonals are given. BD equals to 5.6 and AC equals to 7 centimeters. Okay, can we start? All of you ready?
Yes.
Just be a little quick in doing the construction. So first of all, draw a line segment AB of length 4.4 centimeters. Draw a neat and clean figure. AB. We are going to use the properties of a parallelogram. Yes. Draw on the line AB. Line segment AB. Ready? So after this, we will be using the properties of a parallelogram. Do you know that that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other? Right? Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
So if the length AC is 7, you can see here it is written AC is equal to 7 centimeters. Can you tell me what will be the length of AO? 3.5.
3.5.
What will be the length of BO? O is the midpoint of both the diagonals, right?
2.8.
So that means
2 point.
length of AO will be 3.5 and BO will be 2.8. Absolutely right. Okay, now what? We will first find out the
Yeah,
point of intersection of the two diagonals O. We will find O. O is the point of intersection of both the diagonals. How to find? Take the compass and measure 3.5 centimeters in the compass. 3.5 centimeters measure कर लो compass में. And keep your compass at point A. Draw an arc in this direction. Somewhere here. Okay. 3.5. Right. And then measure 2.8 centimeters. Have you all drawn this arc?
Yes, sir.
Then take 2.8 centimeters in your compass. Measure 2.8 centimeter with the help of a scale. 2.8. And then keep your compass at point B and draw an arc here. So you will get a point like this. This is your point O. Join AO and BO using scale. Join AO and BO. I'm joining the diagonals AO. This is not the actually the whole diagonal. This is only the half of diagonal AO. So I'm joining AO and BO. My figure is not with proper measurement, so it could be a little different from actual measurements. Okay. Because I can't use a scale here. So these are AO and BO. Now, again, we all know that AO is half of AC. We have already got AO. What you do, you extend these two further, extend BO further and extend AO further, produce AO and BO in the same direction using scale. Yes, drawn. We have drawn AO and BO and produce them. Now what? That means these are the diagonals. Am I right? Now what is the length of diagonal AC? What is the length of diagonal AC given? It is given 7
7.
centimeters. So take 7 centimeters in your compass. Measure 7 centimeters in the compass. And are you all measuring it? Measure 7 centimeters in your compass. Ready? Now keep your compass at point A. Keep the compass at point A and draw an arc here and mark this vertex as C. We have got C. Have we got AC of 7 centimeters? Yes. Are you all getting the point? Now measure 5.6 centimeters in the compass. 5.6 centimeters with the help of a scale in your compass. That means take a radius of 5.6 centimeters in the compass and keep the compass at point B and draw another arc here. So this point of intersection is point D. We have got C and D. What is left? Just to join all the vertices and make the sides of the parallelogram. So AD, CD and BC. So this is your parallelogram ABCD. Have you all understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Please post your answer in the group. You can write down the measurements in the figure. 4.4 centimeters side AB, length of diagonal AC 7 centimeters and length of diagonal BD 5.6 centimeters. Okay, show me the figures in the group. All of you, please post your answer. And Suman has posted. Very good, and Suman, very good. Excellent, very neat and clean figure. Proper arcs. Anyone else? Pranjali, Mandina, Mayank. Please post it. I will help you if there is something wrong in it. Complete it quickly. So we are moving on to the next question. Next type is question 6. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 6.5, AC is 3.4, and the altitude AD from vertex A is 2.5 centimeters. Pranjali has posted the answer of the previous one. Pranjali, it is correct, but you have not made these arcs for the vertex C and vertex D. Look at this figure. Can you see the arcs for vertex C and vertex D? Pranjali. So you have to cut out these arcs from vertex.
Yes, sir.
Make an arc from vertex A at a distance of 7 centimeter, you will get C. And then when you draw an arc from vertex B, you will get D at a distance of 5.6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And don't erase any arcs. Arcs should be visible clearly. Okay. So question 6. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which diagonal AC, sorry, 6 one. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 6.5, AB is 6.5, AC is 3.4 centimeters, diagonal AC, and altitude AL. AL is the altitude. Okay, it is AL from A is 2.5 centimeters. This is the altitude AL. Okay, so this is what we have to do in the parallelogram. So drawing a rough figure again. So this time I will be taking A this side and B here, C D, like this, A B C D. Okay, no problem. So here AB we will be taking 6.5 centimeters. Okay. Now what we are going to do here is that we will construct a perpendicular from vertex A first. This this perpendicular is given 2.5 centimeters AL. This is AL 2.5, and the length of AC is 3.4. Length of AC is 3.4. So this is what we have to do. Let's start. Draw a line segment AB of 6.5 centimeters first. Don't forget to write A on the right side. A here and B here. Okay. Now we will be using protector here to construct a perpendicular from vertex A. Why are we using protector? Because otherwise if we use a compass, then the figure will become very congested and it will look very hodgepodge. Okay, so that is why only for this question we are using protector to construct a 90-degree angle. So use your protector to construct a perpendicular from the vertex A. Draw a perpendicular line from vertex A like this. Use protector to draw it. Okay, everyone. So this angle is 90 degrees. What is the length of the perpendicular given? 2.5 centimeters. So from vertex A, cut an arc at a distance of 2.5. So it will be something like this from vertex A. So this is L. This is not C. This is not D. It is L. Point L. Okay. It is only L. AL is the altitude of the parallelogram. Altitude means height. Height and altitude are the same thing. Height, altitude, perpendicular. I have told this before also. All these words mean the same. Fine. Now we will construct another 90-degree angle from the vertex L, from the point L. Another 90-degree angle, another perpendicular line from line L. Okay, from the point L. Why are we constructing it? Because we will get a perpendicular line, sorry, parallel line to AB if we do it. We need a parallel line to AB. 90 degree, again using protector, construct a line of 90 degrees. We don't know the length, so we will draw a long one like this in both the directions. Okay, fine, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Have you all got it? Have you all got a perpendicular, sorry, parallel line to AB? This angle is also 90 degree. Why 90? Because this is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. That is only known as the altitude of the triangle. Or sorry, altitude of the parallelogram. 2.5 centimeters. AL is 2.5. Okay. Now, what we have to do, everyone ready? All of you ready? Have you all done this much?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the length of AC? It is given in the question, the diagonal AC. 3.4. So take out your compass, measure 3.4 centimeters in your compass, and because the length AC is 3.4, so we will keep the compass at point A and make an arc on the parallel line. It will be something like this. Okay, so this is your vertex C, the point of intersection of the parallel line, and the arc is the vertex C of the parallelogram. So if you want, you can join AC also. So we are joining BC and AC. BC is one of the sides of the parallelogram and AC is one of the diagonals. So still we have not got the vertex D. How can we find the vertex D? Can anyone tell me how to find the vertex D? What is the length of AB? 6.5 centimeters. I have given you a hint. Length AB is 6.5.
So we will make a cut from point C on the parallelogram.
Very good. From point C, we will make a cut at a distance of 6.5 centimeters on the parallel line. This side. Got it? So this point of intersection is your vertex D. What is this distance? This is also 6.5. We have cut this arc from vertex C at a distance of 6.5 with the help of compass. So now we join AD and we have got the required parallelogram. Fine. ABCD is the required parallelogram where the length of diagonal AC is 3.4, side AB is 6.5, and the altitude AL is 2.5. Yes, done. Please post it in the group.
Sir, I have posted.
Okay, beta, checking your answer. Mayank and Anshuman. Mayank, very good. But the distance CD you have taken is not 6.5, it is a little less than 6.5. Mayank, uh, take proper measurement of the distance CD. 6.5. It should be 6.5.
Okay, sir.
It is less than 6.5. Okay. Anshuman, very good. Absolutely right. Write the name of the vertex D. D. Okay, moving on to the next question. Just let me share my link. Okay. Next question. This is question number 7. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which diagonal AC is 3.8, diagonal BD is 4.6, and the angle between AC and BD is 60 degrees. Okay, so it is an easy one, not a very difficult one. So first of all, I'm writing all the given information. AC is 3.8 centimeters, BD is 4.6 centimeters, and the angle between AC and BD. Angle between AC and BD, that means the angle between the two diagonals, is 60 degrees. Okay, so your parallelogram is this. This is only a rough figure, just to get an idea what we have to do. So any angle between AC and the diagonal BD should be 60 degrees. And the length of AC BD is given. AC is 3.8, BD is 4.6 centimeters. Okay, all of you. Let's see how to do it. First of all, draw a line segment of length 4.6. Now, what is this 4.6? It is the length of the diagonal BD. So let's name the vertices as B and D. These are the vertices B and D, opposite vertices BD. The length of this line segment is 4.6. We have taken it 4.6 centimeters. Okay. Now we all know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Do we all know this? Yes. That means O is the midpoint of both the diagonals. So first of all, we will find the point O. O will be exactly in between BD. So where will be O?
2.3.
So it is at a distance of 2.3. So mark a point O at a distance of 2.3 centimeters. Okay. So this is O, which is at a distance of 2.3. So this whole length is 4.6, but the length BO is 2.3. Okay. Now construct a 60-degree angle at the point O. Why we are constructing a 60-degree angle at point O? Because we are going to make an angle of 60 degree between AC and BD. So you all know how to construct an angle of 60 degrees. So please construct it. I am doing it directly. Make a line segment like this, 60 degrees. So this angle is 60, all of you. This is a 60-degree angle. Now what we have to do, we have to produce this line, yellow line that I have made. You have to produce this on the opposite side also. Produce it on the opposite side also. Are you all getting it? What we have to do? So make a 60-degree angle and then produce it on both the sides. Okay. So tell me when you have done this much.
Say done.
Done. Now what is the length of the diagonal AC? 3.8. So if AC is 3.8, then AO will be
1.9.
1.9 centimeters and CO will also be 1.9. Am I right? So measure 1.9 centimeter in your compass and keep it at point O. This is your point O, green color. You can see center point O, and cut two arcs at distance of 1.9 centimeters on the yellow line, both the sides. 1.9, 1.9. Got it? So what you have got? You have got the vertex A and you have got the vertex C also. Now tell me what is the length AC? AC length कितनी हो गई? If we are cutting 1.9, 1.9 both the sides, then what is the length AC now? It is
3.8.
3.8. Correct. Double of 1.9. 1.9 plus 1.9 is equal to 3.8. So what is to be done now? Just join the vertices A, B, C, and D. You will get your required parallelogram. So join AB, join BC, join CD, and join AD. This is your required parallelogram. Fine. Post your answer in the group. So what we have done, we have constructed we have constructed the diagonals of length 4.6 and 3.8, and the angle between the diagonals is 60 degrees. And hence we have got the parallelogram ABCD. Fine, all of you. Post the answer in the group. Post it. So Anshuman and Pranjali have posted. Very good. Anshuman and Pranjali also. Very good. Excellent. Very nice, both of you. Okay.